Food provides fuel for the human body. How does the food you eat become the energy your body needs to live? The process begins with eating. Peristaltic waves move the food down his esophagus and into his stomach. After being mixed in the stomach and exposed to hydrochloric acid and some enzymes, the food moves into the small intestine. Once in the small intestine, the final stages of digestion change the food into the individual nutrients it contains. The bread provides almost all the carbohydrate in the sandwich. The bread also provides some protein and a small amount of lipid. The meat provides protein and lipid. The cheese also provides protein and lipid. Each of these nutrients goes through different steps en route to the liver. First, let's look at the carbohydrate from the bread. The starch, from the flour used to make the bread, breaks apart into individual glucose molecules, which are absorbed into the bloodstream and go to the liver. The protein from the bread, meat, and cheese is digested or broken apart in the stomach and small intestine. During digestion, the protein is broken into individual amino acids. These amino acids are absorbed through the intestinal lining into the bloodstream and go to the liver. The lipid from the meat and cheese is digested in the small intestine. The lipid is broken into glycerol and fatty acids. Glycerol and some of the fatty acids are absorbed through the intestinal tract lining into the bloodstream. The long-chain fatty acids are absorbed into lymph. These long-chain fatty acids will travel in the lymphatic system until they finally move into the bloodstream. Once in the bloodstream, the carbohydrate, protein, and lipid, now in the form of glucose, amino acids, glycerol, and fatty acids, travel to the liver. The liver stores some of the nutrients and releases others into the bloodstream, where they are taken up by cells as needed. Once in the cell, several chemical reactions can occur, including glycolysis and the Krebs cycle. These steps produce ATP. ATP can provide energy for all the processes and reactions occurring in the human body,